Good morning. So, since we last left you off, I think we were in Fradley and I think we spent like a day in the life with you kind of thing, a reality boat life day. It's quite sunny outside. So today we are moving down from Fradley because of the wind that we've been having into Oriwas, hopefully, if there's space, to shelter ourselves, because we're going down to a village at the minute. We're on the cut and it's just the wind's just battering the boat, and people coming from Fradley through aren't slowing down really, so the boat is just really going for it every time. So me and Luke today are going to move each boat together just so we're safe, because it's my first time with our boat alone. So Luke's coming with me and then I'm going to go with Luke, and we're both just going to move down into Oriwas, or Oriwas, I'm not sure how you say it, but yeah, it should be a fun day, and I just thought I'd bring you along with me. So, engine is on and we are about to go down. It is windy, I'm terrified. Luke's with me. We have walkie-talkies and we're going to knock it out. Hope for the best. So just parked our boat just there, just behind Fradley Marina, and we're just helping these guys through so we can get out and bring him through and then head down to Oriwas. We're currently going through the lock that's actually broken. It's still a bit dodgy because I went like this in our boat and it's scary. But yeah, we're going to have these guys through.
Is it on? Oh my god. God, I look so red. Hello. So we've just had an absolute ordeal at the lock. So there's another boat towing, I don't know what. Another boat basically. Yeah, but it's got a tiny little 1.5 engine towing at least a 40 footer across, and it's so windy as well, and it's just been, we had to, so they'd come through the lock and we had moored on the lock landing, so there's no room for us, so we had to moor just in front of them, so we've got to go back and get my boat. And then so yeah, we had to moor just in front of a marina, which is where their kind of exit is, because it's so windy, just trying to get us out was just a bit of a nightmare, wasn't it, really? Very, very stressful. So, but we're on the move now, so we are finally on our way to Oriwas. I I think that's how you pronounce it anyway. Everybody pronounces it differently. We're going to go with Arawa, and hopefully we're going to find a mooring not too far from the village where you guys can fill it with water. And if not, we're just going to connect the hose pipes together and see how far we can get, and then hopefully lug some water and get something sorted.
Then we can relax again.
Then we can relax, and then we want to do it again with my boat. So we'll see how it goes.
Wish us luck.
Yeah.
Nobody's losing. Faces merchant change, but your face remains the same.
So we've managed to get into Ariwas-ish. We're just up on the lock. We've found a spot, but there's no way we can get a pin in. So we're going to maybe go down one more lock and try and find a space down there. So we're going into our next lock. We're just going to drop us down into Ariwas, and then we're going to moor up so we can go get some water.
Always remember how it felt.
I don't know if you'll even be able to hear me, but we've just managed to get back up now. Luke and Shane's boat. The wind's picked up, we're scared, but I think we're going to try and get Luke and Shane down to Oriwas too. So I'm going to walk by the side of the boat and try and get across and meet you at the locks and hope for the best. Hopefully managed to get Alf down to the lock landing. I'm filling up the lock, and then we've got to navigate down there through one more lock, and then we're safe. This is hectic. It's like 23-mile-an-hour winds. There's no boats around, so we're doing it safely, taking our time and just seeing what happens. But we're doing alright so far. Just gonna get this paddle open for him. There we go. It's very slippy in Crocs. Crocs is not the right attire. Right. There we go. Pray to the window. Me and Luke. Please be kind to us. So far, we're doing alright. It's a bit sketchy. Doing great. Doing great. So we've got to get back to these two boats. One doesn't have an engine. They're just stuck because of the wind. But yeah. We'll be safe in Ariwas. Fish and chips for lunch.
But it did proper start to tip there. Did you see it? It really pushed around.
Just where it was needed. Gleaming black as night. Cloistered in injustice. Dead in
We've made it in the hub just before the bridge 48, but there's 2 days here, so we're going to go and have a look. We're going to walk down, then go back on the train. That means you'll be on the way back. Wow. But yeah, I'm going to walk down the waterfront now, see what's going on, see what we got. We've just decided to move up again because we're in a 48-hour spot. There's a 2-week so how's moving fast. And I'm going to pull him in and then we're going to move waterside up to the next one along because it's a bigger spot for the narrowboat, being a couple foot longer. Yeah, 14 days then we've got. So I'm back in the boat with the jerry can, and I somehow got to muster the power to get the water in there, and I'm already absolutely exhausted from moving the boat. And I've not eaten. So let's see how this goes. Alright. It's so heavy. I'm so tired. Go back and get one more. Just like that. Like that. In there. I think the next step is to go and see how much that actually filled up. Yeah, we'll check the water. Probably hasn't even moved, has it? But I'll go back into here. I'm going to need a torch. Right. Can you see that? I've got a bit. That's 30 litres a time, so I mean, I just need some food for now. I'm tired, everything hurts. I'm gonna close and put the trolley back in, have some lunch and I'll catch up again. I think that lasted for a few hours, but I came back here and I crashed, but guess who's home?
I'm doing my eyebrows.
James is home from work and he's doing his eyebrows. But yeah, I'm absolutely exhausted from today. I hope we managed to capture it properly, but it was hard work. I think we're having a chippy tea and then walk maybe and then going to bed.
It's been a lovely day weather-wise, hasn't it?
It's been a fine all day weather-wise here. Turns out it hasn't rained.
It hasn't rained at all.
I picked a different, and I suppose you guys would too, wouldn't you?
You should have come to Nottingham.
Should have come to Nottingham. It's beautiful now, look at this. Blue skies out there. Wasn't earlier, was it? But yeah, going to get chips. Then I'm relaxing for the next 7 days. And then, yeah, I suppose we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.